So I've just opened up a fresh Modo with nothing in it, and I'm going to start off with a cube. So let's hold down Control and drag, which will create an actual cube. You can see the sizes over here are all the same. And now, even if our cube is off center, I can use Control Shift Space to center it all. And that is a super important menu there. Control Shift Space. We're going to be using it all the time. Control Shift Space, all. Now the only other thing to keep track of here is what direction we're facing. So see on the bottom left here, there's a little compass, and it shows our three directions. We've got y-axis, x-axis, and z-axis. And the only thing to remember and be careful about here is I want z-axis, which is going this way, to be my front and back. Okay, so look at these arrows too. They're color coordinated according to these three: green, red, blue, right here. So anyways, let's say this is a duck that we're gonna make. So I'm gonna move this up and press escape. So now I'm gonna pick the bottom and press B to get a bevel. So I'm gonna use the blue one to drag it down, press B and then B again to start a new bevel, drag it down. Let's move to the back here. Also, check your compass again. Make sure when we're moving back, we're going to be going in the opposite direction of that Z. So let's press escape twice to get out of that. Press number 3 to get polygons. Click there and press B. Drag that back. B, B, drag that back, escape. So now, okay, one more time, let's double, triple, quadruple check. Z-axis here should be front to back, right? So now, alright, let's grab these two here and let's scale them. So R for scale, drag out a little bit to make the body wider, and escape, pick this polygon, and we're going to use the same old B for bevel, use the blue one and then the red one. So from here I can press R, which switches directly into the scale tool. So now I can use scale tool to change the proportion of that using these colored handles. So now let's press B one more time to get the duck bill and escape, grab the bottom, W, drag it down a little bit, and let's press escape. How about grabbing this corner here? I can't really do it with my polygons, so what about edges? Let's press number 2 for edge, pick that edge, W for move, and scoot it up. Let's switch to polygons again, number 3, pick that, W, move it back. Okay, great. So this duck is starting to look quite sexy. I'm gonna make some feet now by grabbing my cube tool again, and let's face it downwards like this, and then hold down Control and drag. So now I can double click that one, W for move, let's dig it in a little bit, 3 for polygons, pick that bottom one, W, down, B for bevel, red one, blue one. B to start a new level. Escape, pick that front side, and then W to move it. We can just stretch it out like that for the foot. And now I'm going to press escape. And you can even grab this whole thing by double clicking it and press E and rotate it a little bit. Get that duck foot going. And now, since we're building on that correct axis, we've got the Z going forwards and backwards, we've got the X going left and right. Talking about these two, we can use our shortcut here. So that's, I've got this thing selected, the foot, and I'm going to press Shift V to mirror. And that's it. So I can press escape here. Shift A to zoom in on everything. And we can look at our beautiful duck. Quack, 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 quack. Alright, so I'm going to show off a little bit here and make a whole duck from scratch at normal speed to show you guys kind of how it would look. And let me shut up too so I can focus on what's happening. So notice how I'm not really clicking any buttons here. I'm just kind of using my keyboard to save me valuable time. Okay, there you go. That is our sexy duck again. So yeah, it really pays to take the time to learn these little shortcuts up front. The less buttons you click, the faster you can go, pretty much. So let's try to start memorizing those keys. I've also got a cheat sheet which shows all the ones we used in here and all the most common shortcuts. So definitely recommend printing out one of those cheat sheets and referencing it, writing your own notes on it, and just using that to really get the hang of things. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.